Well, a woman from Washington got the best flight delay ever. United Airlines gave her a $10,000 voucher to give up her seat on the plane.
Yep, $10,000. Allison Price here tweeted a photo of that voucher. She was trying to fly from Dulles Airport outside Washington to Austin, Texas for a bachelorette party. But because of a broken seat, one passenger had to stay behind. So Price says she was first offered a $2,000 voucher, but she wanted cash. And that's when they offered her a $10,000 voucher, an offer she says she just couldn't refuse. Late to the bachelorette party, but hey, she can go anywhere she wants now.
Yeah, I'd miss the party for that.